What's up with the YouTube? In this video, I'm finna give y'all niggas step by step. I'm gonna show y'all the beginning to the end of how I get my hair like this, you know what I'm saying? Like, see, I just been growing it. I've been growing it for like probably a year and some months, and I got it this long to my nose. I'm finna tell y'all how to do that right there. Tell y'all how to do the twisty parts, as well as how to maintain it. Just stay tuned. Watch this video from beginning to end, so you'll be right. Without further ado, let's begin. Only product you will need to get your hair like this. Hold on, wait for it. Wait for it. Get some bands like these and some water. That's it. That is it, bro. We just need some bands and some water. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about the twisty parts, right? I'm finna explain the twisty part. Okay, so the twisty part, you're not doing that, we're doing 2-strand twists. If y'all don't know what that is, I'm finna show y'all. Okay, so mine's twisted up, but let's just pretend like this is just some of your hair. It's not twisted. Let's just pretend this is some of y'all hair and it's not twisted, right? So what y'all want to do, y'all want to split your hair up, right? And twist them. Twist them, twist them, twist them. Hold on. Twist them until they become twist like this. And then what you do is you cross them, you twist them together. You know? Just twist them together. Then after a couple days, then you just go back and untwist them. You know, you just take the twist out. You know, they will look funny for a while. I'm telling y'all, they will look funny. They're not gonna look perfect off rip. You gotta trust the process, you know what I'm saying? So once you do your entire head like that, which is gonna take probably like 2 hours, I'm not gonna lie. It's worth the 2 hours though. So the next step, after you do your entire head, you go get in the shower. And what you do in the shower is, let the water run on you. You know what I'm saying? Let the water run on your hair, you just do this. What the water does, it helps it to lock up. Because again, your hair wet and it's twisting it all up, you know, little twisty thingy. After you do that, when you get out the shower, all you want to do is pin your hair with these bands. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter it don't matter how short your hair is. It don't matter if you have to use 9 of these. It don't matter if you need 20 of these motherfuckers. I don't care. So you want to just pin your hair up in some way to have it like just pinned up overnight. It don't matter if you use a bonnet or whatever. I didn't use a bonnet. This tutorial is how to get y'all hair like mine. So I'm telling y'all what I did, you know. I didn't use a bonnet or none of that. It probably would have helped though. Okay, so you want to pin your hair up every night after that. You can take it down in the morning if you want to, or if you have nothing to do, just leave it up all day. You gotta trust the process. I'm telling y'all that again. It's not gonna look amazing when you first do it. My hair was ugly as shit when I first twisted it. When I first twisted it, my hair went to my eyebrows. It wasn't even this long, bro. Now the maintenance part, right? The maintenance. What you wanna do when y'all buy y'all, you know, shampoo and things of that nature, make sure you don't get nothing that says curls. If you get anything that says curls, what it's gonna do is it's gonna make your roots thicker and it's gonna pull your twist out. Or either you have twist at the end and it'll be thick at the bottom. It'll make it harder for it to lock. Don't use no product to say curl, nothing. Curl defining, curl enhancement, whatever it is, don't use no curl products. And make sure you get you some leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner so you won't have to wash it out, you know what I'm saying? Your hair can stay moisturized after you wash it. It stay moisturized all night. Now how often you should wash it? I would say, this is how I do it. I don't know if y'all want to do it like me, but what I do, I wouldn't wash it until it start itching. Though my hair get the itching when it's time for me to wash it. The only way I'll wash it earlier if I go do something like play basketball and I get all sweaty, then I will wash it. But if I'm like not active, then I just wait till it get itchy and I'll wash it then. If y'all came from TikTok, say TikTok in the comments. You ain't gonna say it, oh, you on my dick. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe so you stay up to date, you know what I'm saying, on the hair and shit. These are the products that I use for my hair. I use Scotch Porter hair wash, as you can see. You can get it for Walmart, probably like $11, something like that. Then I use the hair conditioner, you know, just Scotch Porter as well. Scotch Porter got some really good products, y'all. Great for freeform dread. Last but not least, I got the beard, hair, and conditioner oil. I don't have a beard, but it's for my hair, and it's a leave-in conditioner. So, you know, I can just spray it on my hair. I'm running out, that's why I sound like that. But, you know, just spraying in your hair and go on about today. Actually, I got head and shoulders because I used to have dandruff, so you know, I used to have to use it. This is a really good product, by the way. Like, the bottle is still full, bro. I used it once, and like my dandruff is gone. So make sure y'all get this if y'all have dandruff. Oh yeah, and the bands, y'all can get them from Dollar General, bro. I got it from Dollar General. I got a pack of like 64 of them for cheap, probably like $3, $4, something like that. I will also be dropping the skin routine soon, as well as the toothpaste I use, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, it's just my toothpaste. If y'all got more questions, be free to DM me on Instagram. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe so y'all can stay up to date on the hair tutorial.